Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we will talk about what is a keyword. A keyword is a search query or term. It is a word or phrase that someone types in a search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, etc. to find information about that term. Every Google search starts with a keyword. Like if we go on Google and search smart ways to earn online, best handbags in the world, smart watches for men or women. All of these are keywords. We want detailed information about them from search engine. In today's video, we will talk about what is a keyword, why is the keyword so important in SEO, how you can use keywords in SEO. If I talk from the perspective of SEO, then the meaning of keyword is a little bit different. When we do SEO of any website, keywords are basically those words for us on which we want our web page to rank or website to rank. For example, if you have a blog related to digital marketing, you will watch that whenever a person types any keyword related to that blog or digital marketing, like what is digital marketing in 2025. Whenever someone types such keywords, he or she should see my website on the top rank. That's how people find you. Keywords plays a very important role in SEO. If you do it right, great. You are not only going to get traffic, but you are going to get sales too. But if you do it wrong, you are going to get traffic only but not sales. In other words, you need traffic that converts into leads or sales. Search engine consider many factors to rank your website. Moderation number 1. Moderation means not to use excessive keywords. Whenever you put a keyword in your content, you have to be very careful about moderation. In simple words, this is called keyword stuffing. There is a word keyword density. In that means in your content only 2 or 3% should be your keywords. You will also have to be natural. It is not that we are putting keywords randomly anywhere, whether they are fitting or not. Whatever your keywords are, they should come in a sentence, topic, or in a paragraph in a systematic way. We have to do keyword planning in an organized way. Then write content according to the keywords so that the keywords and the content become a perfect combination to be ranked for our website. That's all from today's video, viewers. I hope you all get all the information about keyword in simple words. If you have any query, any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.